Where do you find the 97 Sport Truck of the Year? Here's a reminder.
California's Truck Stop.
You can out-drive, out-hustle, out-tough, out-muscle, out-tow, out-run, out-work, and out-fun. Show 'em what you got.
The all-new Dodge Dakota is a great sport.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are doing another car review. Today's going to be my father's 2000 Dodge Dakota RT. Yes, it's an RT. It's a 2000. And I think they made about like 4,000 of these. I have no idea. It's like in the 1,000s range, kind of. It's a very nice truck. We got it's about somewhere in 2022, I think. I have no idea. Anyway, yeah, it's an RT. And yeah, it's a nice truck. I think it's a, whatever they call this, like, club cab. I think they call it the club cab. I have no idea. It's like something like that, club cab. Yeah, anyway, it's a super nice, truck. I usually like to call this the truck that can, and sorry, I have no idea. I was just trying to come up with it now. Anyway, yeah, it's a nice truck. The radio and everything works. Hey, there's my old logo. Well, kind of. Anyway, yeah, Infinity radio. I don't know what used to be here. This was off when we first got it. Yeah, and I can pop the hood. The hood's pretty easy to open. I opened it myself once. Yeah, radio and everything works. It's got infinity speakers, so this sets it wherever you set it, it'll play a speaker. Like if we do right, it'll do it right there. Do this, it'll go right there. Yeah, we usually set it just right there. So it's been about like 20 minutes after for the interior bit. But anyway, let's get back to the rest of this beautiful truck. So, as you can see, there are some dents filled, and also this bed is not the bed that came with the truck. We actually got this one from someone else, and I can't remember where, but I don't know how this one's a little bit better. It's a spare there. This does not come with the truck. This came from somewhere else. Anyway, yeah, the dents are filled, and all needs to just get painted. And it'll be good. The tailgate goes down and everything. Well, I don't want to open it now. Yeah. I don't know if I said this yet, but the wheels are from a like 2nd gen Dakota. I'll show one up on the screen. And I do have to say the seats are comfortable. Like, they're so comfortable. Everything on this truck is just a miracle. As you can see, the Magnum, it has a 360 cubic inch V8. Dodge, just look at that beautiful emblem. And also, this is a different hood. The letter on the previous hood was red. This time it's like the same color as the emblem. I just love that 2000s and 90s Dodge emblem. It has better headlights than the previous. And I do know how to open the hood on this one. The hood's not popped yet, but if you don't know how to pop a hood on the Dakota like this, you just pull that, you just push that lever over, and then you open the hood. So yeah. Let's actually check out the tires real quick. DXC7. I have no idea what that says, but anyway, yeah, some kind of tires. Yeah, all these things just need to be painted, and then the rust will be gone. Yeah, the truck will be perfect. I think the best part might just be under the hood. Yeah. And yes, on my community there was a poll for which you want to see, the Charger or the Dakota, which I kind of already did the video for the Charger, so I chose to do the Dakota. I thought all you guys would choose the Dakota. Antennas all cool. A little bit of bird crap, I don't want to touch that. Anyway, let's check out the best thing, which is underneath the hood. Go. So let me set you guys down so I can open the hood. Right, yes, that was pretty easy. You got a newer like intake on it. Previously like Dodge Magnum. So yeah, 360 cubic inch V8, and I think that's all about there is to show on this truck. It's a nice truck that I think is perfect for the racetrack. Yeah, for some reason the grill's been coming loose. But anyway, I'll see you guys next time in another review, and the next review will probably be the Charger.